Hey all, my name is Paul Borowski and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is introduce y'all to my event planning business plan template. And specifically, I want to show y'all how to use the Word document in the event planning business plan template. So the purpose of the template is I constructed it for two purposes. First, I want y'all to have a workable, usable document within 30 minutes. And I've got some areas of the Word document highlighted. I've already got the financial model filled out with a fictitious event planning company. So you can go in there, you can change the numbers, but if you just need a quick, simple, straightforward business plan for an event planning company, you should be going there, makes a little bit of changes, customize it to make it yours, and it should be ready in about 30 minutes. Now, also the event planning structure, I've structured it so you can always also use it for the long term. And specifically, if you add some more information to the structure that I've provided, build off of the template that I've given you, what you'll be able to do is utilize the business plan template for more purposes. For example, you can use it in your operations for benchmarking. You might be able to use it to share with investors if you develop it to to a certain point. So hopefully this event planning template is going to be helpful. But let me show you all how to use it and set some expectations. All right, so first and foremost, purpose of the video, like I said, is to have a usable business plan in 30 minutes for the short term, but also to give you all a structure that you can build upon for the long term. In the short term, this template is good for landlords. You'll be able to provide to the landlord, show them that hey, you've got a basic rudimentary understanding of how you're going to be operating your event planning company. You might be able to use it, excuse me, for small business loans and also to share with friends and family. Some restrictions or some limitations to the template is that it's not compatible with Google Drive. So it's a Microsoft Word document, so you do need to have Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make the financial changes as well as the template changes. So it's not compatible with Google. It's not compatible with Apple products. Also, there's no free phone support. So if you get the template and you want me to walk you through, then you're filling it out, that's a no-go. I do charge for that service. However, if you have questions before you buy the template, then my contact information is on my website, which I'll be sharing with you shortly. And just feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, and be delighted to answer any questions that you have before you purchase the template. After you purchase the template, my time is, I do charge for it. All right, so what is included in this handy dandy little template for the event planning company? First is going to be the customizable Word document. So you're going to be able to download the Word document, and you're also going to be able to download a basic financial model. This is an Excel document. You'll be able to make changes to both documents. And I'm going to show you how to use both documents, but in the financial model, that is in a separate video. This video, we're going to focus on the Word document. All right, next you're going to get the financial model, and then you're going to have the how to use video. This video right here is how to use the Word document. I'm going to walk you through it. I'm going to show you an example of the event planning business plan template. I'm actually going to show you the event planning business plan template. You're going to be able to see, what's included, the information, and how it's structured. Also, you do get a how to use video for the financial model. So I do show you in a separate video how to use a general financial model that is customized for for the purpose of your organization. All right, so let's go ahead and zip on over to the event planning business plan template. So once you make your purchase for the event planning business plan, you're going to download the Word document, and bam, it's going to look just like this. You're going to have a cover page right here. You can put your name of your company. In order to get rid of that yellow, you're going to highlight the yellow. You're going to go up here. You're going to click on that little arrow by that highlighter, and you're going to click on no color. Once you do that, the color is gone. You want it back, undo it. All right, next is going to be the table of contents. The event planning business plan template does come with the table of contents. As you add more of your thoughts and ideas, and you build out the structure that I've provided you, you're inevitably going to have more pages. To update the template, you're going to click on the template. You're going to click right here, Update Template. You're going to click on Update Entire Table. Click OK, and the template will update for you for the table of contents. Next segment is going to be the executive summary. In the executive summary, I do structure this specifically to almost tell a little story here on how your company, the inner workings of your company. So the way it's structured is right here is going to be the event planning summary. I'm going to kind of introduce your company, what you're going to do, how you're going to do it, target market, who you're going to be selling to, financial highlights. So if you get your party started and you target your market, these are the financial expectations that you have for your business. And then funding requests, how much money do we need to get this party started? So that's kind of the structure and the flow, where they're going to be able to understand your company, who you're selling to, what's expected money or returns for the business, and then how much money you need in order to achieve your dreams. All right, next section is going to be the company description section. Of course, anywhere in yellow, I do recommend you sneak a peek and update the information here. I do have a brief competitive advantage for you. Product description, I go ahead and summarize some of the possible events that you might be doing or services provided. You can update that information as well. Primary target market, pricing strategy, hours of operation, location. You can change the size as you see fit and then make the adjustments as necessary. And then I give you business objectives and timeline. Right here, it gives you an opportunity to go ahead and share with the reader what are some of your objectives. What do you want to accomplish in 3 months, in 6 months, in 12 months? So it kind of shows that not only are you just looking at the starting point of launching your business, but you've got some long-term objectives as well. Industry analysis, I did a little bit of industry research on the party and event planning industry, provided this updated information here for you, broke it down into a product segment, and then I also did a little bit of industry research or revenues and growth. I summarized some of the statistics out there for the event planning industry. SWOT analysis, the way you're going to update the SWOT analysis is you're going to click on it. And the way it's broken down is you get your strengths, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And in order to make the changes, you're just going to highlight the wherever you want to add it and just start typing. Once you're done, hit the box and it's gone. And we're going to undo that. Now for this right here, I do have blank spots, and the blank spots are there for a reason. So just make sure that, to keep those blanks there. It does space out the words and gives it a better read and a better feel. Next is going to be organizational structure, whether it be a limited liability corporation, it could be a sole proprietor, limited liability partnership, corporation, whatever floats your boat, crumbles your cookie. Make sure to document it under the legal structure. And then for job responsibilities, this shows how the organization is going to be structured. You might have the CEO, event planner assistant. If you don't have an event planner assistant, get rid of it and it's gone. If you want it back, undo it and it's there. Next is going to be the organizational chart. Make sure your organizational chart is aligned with your job responsibilities. So here we got CEO, event planner assistant. In the organizational chart, we've got CEO, event planner, and event planner assistants. If you want to make some changes to this chart, again, you're going to click on the chart. You're going to go right here to the little arrow, and then you're going to go ahead and make these changes as you see fit. If you want the event planner assistant reporting to the CEO, you backspace it and it moves. If you wanted to stay at the event planner, you hit tab and it's there. And the next part is going to be the marketing. So the marketing in general, event planning companies, what they're going to do is they're going to do 3 types of marketing: traditional marketing, internet marketing, and social media marketing. So I do break these up into some categories, give you a starting point for each one of them. For the traditional marketing, you might want to expand upon that with word of mouth marketing. It could be networking with the Chamber of Commerce. So you can expand on it with some thoughts and ideas. Internet marketing could go past your webpage to Yelp listings, but it can also include Google ads or Bing ads as well. Then you get your social media marketing. A lot of people, what they're going to do is they're going to choose 1 or 2. You might do Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or you might do 1 of the 2. You might do YouTube, like what I'm doing. So whatever it is, make sure to document it under your social media marketing. Next is going to be the funding request. This is pretty succinct, short, sweet, to the point. How much money do you need to get the party started? How long of a term is the loan going to be? And the interest rate range. And then finally, we have the financial projections. Financial projections go for 12 months, month 1 through month 3, quarter 1. And then we're going to have month 4 through month 6, quarter 2. And then we're going to have month 7 through month 9, quarter 3. And then month 10 through month 12, quarter 4. And then I give you a pro forma income statement 5 years right here. The financial model that I've used to go ahead and create the pro forma statements is is included in the template, but the discussion about it is included in a separate video, and I'll show you the link to that in just 1 second. All right, so that is my little magic trick right here for the event planning business template. If you like what you see and you want to buy it, all you have to do is go to qualitybusinessplan.com, event planning business plan template, and just click this little button right here. Click here to buy now, and it'll take you to the purchase page, and you'll be able to download the template. Right here is the instructional video, the how to use video that we're doing right now. I will substitute it for the car wash business, so you'll have that. And the financial template tutorial is right here just below it. You'll be able to view that for help with the financial model. All right, so let's go ahead and summarize. So in summary, first and foremost, make sure to stay true to the structure. When you're adding more information, you're going to give it more depth and more breadth, which is fantastic. Just stay true to the structure. And I put a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of sweat, blood, sweat, and tears to go ahead and structure this to make it flow properly. So stay true to the structure. Add your content, but stay true to the structure. Next, make sure before you go ahead and purchase the template to watch the Excel financial tutorial, which is at this website right here. And again, we already talked about it. You want to like the template, go ahead and buy it right here. And then finally, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up on YouTube. And as always, have a fantastic day. Thank you.